Dari data Jampek pada tahun 2015, Indonesia sempat menempati peringkat kedua penyumbang sampah plastik di dunia.
Secara umum, setengah dari rumah tangga ini mengalami peningkatan sampah plastik.
Garbage is a problem that must be faced by various countries in the world. One of it is Indonesia. Based on data from the Indonesian National Plastic Action Partnership released in April 2020, as much as 68 million tons of Indonesian waste still accumulates every year, and 9% or around 620,000 tons goes into rivers, lakes, and seas. This is also certainly faced by all regions in Indonesia, one of which is the city of Gresik. Geographically, Gresik Regency is located between 112 degrees until 113 degrees east longitude and 7 degrees until 8 degrees south latitude, and is a lowland with an altitude of 2 until 12 meters above sea levels. This city is known as an industrial city. Gresik is also famous for its tours, both religious and educational.
Beragamnya lokasi wisata di kota Pudak ini tak serta-merta mampu merubah wajah kota menjadi kota favorit wisata bagi warga Jawa Timur.
The term industrial city attached is also one of the characteristic icons that has positive values for several aspects. One of them is the reduced unemployment rate in the city of Gresik. Another positive impact obtained from the many industry in the city is increasing the economic level of the people of Gresik. In addition to the positive impact, there are also some negative impact due to the many industries located in Gresik. Namely, the accumulation of household waste due to increasing demand. Besides, the lack of education level is also a factor in the accumulation of waste. The lack of knowledge about the impact of piling up waste caused people to ignore the piles of garbage that are piled up. The accumulation of waste is also caused by people's behavior. The lack of awareness from within the community is one of the main indicators of the cause of the accumulation of waste. Based on Umedin data, Gresik produced 270 tons of waste every day, while the capacity to accommodate waste is only 210,000 waste per day. Of the total plastic waste contribute 41.4%. This is a serious problem for the people of Gresik. The east coast of Gresik, for example, has a lot of garbage piled up in every part of it. Pulau Pancikan, Telogonganjo, and Sidokumpul are some areas that are polluted by a lot of garbage that has accumulated. But the amount of garbage that has accumulated also does not rule out the possibility for the community to try to deal with excessive piles of garbage. Sidokumpul village is one of them. Formerly, this village was one of the slum areas in Gresik. The pattern of the community behavior, the narrowness of the village area, as well as the lack of knowledge about the consequences of piling up garbage are the causes of the slums of this Sidokumpul village. Also, every part of this village is filled with waste, both household waste and plastic waste. But with the innovation possessed by the youth or community members in this Sidokumpul village, this village has become one of the villages in Gresik that has managed to deal with the problems of slum. Some of the effort made by the community in this village are of various kinds, ranging from the existence of waste bank to the existence of coffee cafe that pays for it with garbage. This village also implements a sustainable development program in which the youth organization and PKK women manage inorganic waste into decoration that hang along the road. Also, processed candles that are melted down into crafts such as tattoo and others become the foundation of society to meet economic needs. In addition, the youth organization and PKK women set a focus on which to create a creative and clean Sidokumpul. The existence of the coffee paid garbage program, the waste bank, as well as hydroponic and hanging plants planted on each side of the village are the efforts of the Sidokumpul community. Gradually, this village got better, and now almost no garbage can be found on every side of this village. With this innovation owned by Sidokumpul village, hopefully other areas that still have slums areas can immediately cope with the innovation owned by the Sidokumpul village.